Well, I've been working on my G-Wagon, my Volvo little station wagon. While I was hearing grinding on the driver's side, come to find out I had bad wheel bearings. So this little video is to show you what a bad wheel bearing is. Look, you hear that? You hear that? This is a bad one. Bearing, you can hear it. Well, I did this to my rotor because when they go bad, it gets loose and it starts grinding. So I've been working on it lately, last couple days, because I didn't want to die on the road, especially in the Volvo. No, I'm just playing, but yeah. So if you hear any kind of sound coming from the wheels that sounds like that, it's this motherfucker right here. Alright. So I've been, oh, that's my other little G-Wagon right there. Alright, just to show you, be careful. The Volvos are notorious for this little problem. And it's not fun doing it, but gotta do it.